Alright guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So, I am actually going to turn my rekey into a video because, you know, when you try to be a locksmith, you're trying to be a locksmith. Let's see what kind of jazz I got going on here. I think that is going to be the correct size. Yep, okay. So we got that. Tweezers. This guy. And a pinning tray. Whoa! And a pinning tray, which I have right here. It's off screen because I got a bunch of challenge pins in it. So I might just use my lockjaw mat for this. Oh, shims. Never forget the shims. Boom. Good deal. Alright. Let's... Ooh, that guy pops off there. Certain parts of the hardware I can just toss right there. Alright. And go. Alright, let's see what the problem is. Honestly, it might be a couple of different pins. It could be the number 4 that I botched on top of everything. There's probably a lot of things that I botched on this one, to be completely honest. Number 1 is a shaved down 0 cut to begin with, because I didn't have the proper 0 cut. 3, 4, come on, 5, and 6. Alright, so see what I mean? That's probably, this part right here is probably actually where it's getting hung up. I can see just a little bit of a notch instead of it just being a I wonder if that's something where I could just possibly shave maybe a little bit. Oh, there are my files. Telling you, your boy's trying to do this thing legit style, man. I just am. So I got my whole toolbox sitting right next to me that I'm turning into my rekey slash key duplicating. I think I'm just scarring out the bottom of it, to be honest. That's probably the wrong one. I need a pip. Should have known better to begin with to try to get a half round. Wonder how terrible that's gonna be. I mean, that's probably part of the issue too. The first one's not technically a key pin either. It's chamfered at both sides. So I mean, they're hypothetically, right? I guess I'm gonna have to go with the whole hypothetical game on this one. Hypothetically, you're supposed to be able to use this. It actually came in a rekeying kit for Schlage, and I don't know. I think that's probably the garbage reason, and I should probably just stop using it as an excuse and pitch that. So if we're going to pitch it, we're going to put in this guy, right? So we're actually going to be doing 5 pins now instead of 6. Okay. So if we're doing 5, let's go ahead and get our pins out here. I don't have a pinning kit yet, so it looks like 4 is going to be one of the high ones. Woo! Oh, duh. I dropped it in a 4. Or in 5 and not 4. Damn it, I'm messing up my own count here. Okay, so there's that. Ooh. That comes in just below the line. So, let's take a look at this one. 3, 4, 5. Probably going to do a bit of fast forwarding, and that's going to be way too tall. So let's go back to, come here. Let's go back to this guy. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so if that one's going to be probably a 1, that one's probably going to be a 2. Yeah, probably a 2 and then a 3. Nope. Come here, dog. Bodie, come here. Alright, so there's that one. So that means, let's grab this red guy right here. And that's just coming up. This is where a plug holder would come in hand, but I don't have a plug holder yet. So, okay. I'm gonna go deep cut and probably a 4. Nope, too much. Alright, so if that guy's too much, let's check out this green one right here. Perfect. And check out this red guy. Nope. You are not the one. Alright. I mean, that looks just about perfect. Ooh, I almost messed up. Okay, so number 6 has got to come out of here along with the spring. And that's a standard pin anyways, so let's be real on this. I should have gone through my challenge pins over there. Duh. And seen, there we go. And seen which ones of these ones line up with that, but let's just be smart about this for a second. I might do that off camera. Alright. Oh, who hung up? Huh. Okay. So that's weird. It is not just wanting to glide through. Set that up a little bit higher, maybe. Something about this ain't liking it. I wonder what's hanging up. Maybe it's the bottom of the key. Really don't want to just go yeeting this thing in there with the key not in it. It's kind of how you brick a lock, you know? Oh, dum-dum. Something ain't fitting anymore. Well, Sneaky might be dying. So, I'm going to stop recording and I'm going to dive into this, and I'll be right back. Okay, well, Lock Junkie, you were 100% correct on shipping this back to me. Brother, I completely understand why you did not want to go any further than what you had just gone, because Sneaky is dead. So I will probably do my best to figure out what I'm going to do with some of these pins that I created specifically for this lock. Somewhere along the lines, something happened. Because whenever I shipped it out, it wasn't bad. It was, oh yeah, that spring is fried. It would still operate. I mean, key would go in, key would rotate, all those fun things. And now we are to the point where even rekeying it, I'm having to make a lot of alterations in order to, or a lot of plug alterations to just try to get this thing to work. So, anyways, all right, guys, that's it. That's all I've got for this one. Rekeying complete fail. Challenge lock dead, and not these guys. These guys are still good. These are the ones not created by me. Sneaky Hippie, also known as H2, has definitely seen its last day. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I don't know, watching the massacre that just unfolded. Anyways, I will catch you guys later. Bye.